Hello and welcome everybody. GTII stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start. So according to what we want here from the GTII, it's going to be about the price that give us after the trend line reach here and the trend line reach here. Maybe it can go for this part and this can be the same manner that happened on this side and decreased, then it increased and rebounded. So the trend line that is going to be having two supporters and two resistances here is going to make the same action that we notice on GTI. And if we went for 1 week update, it's going to be the same manner that we see, but on a different movements, okay, different shapes that we notice in this form and not on this form. So I think the form of 1 day update is still better to be explained it due to its technical analysis simple explanation.